TNT moving forward?
Huge game for us, but I'm the one thing I'm sure of is if we play this way on Friday, we cannot win. We have to play a lot better than we played tonight. So the problem is we have one day off. We'll basically walk through stuff tomorrow at practice, talk about Ginebra, and they're going to be pretty well rested coming into tomorrow. So, but it's a good challenge. It's a good challenge for us to have. Like I said, I never sell these boys or these players short. They always get up and they always fight for in the tough games. As a coach, my job is really to make sure that they're recovering well. The rest of the recovery tonight and tomorrow is going to be very important.
Coach, during the finals, wala pang Troy Rosario now, he's with Ginebra. How will that change how you prepare and how do you see the Ginebra team with Troy Rosario so far?
Not only Troy, I think Jamie Malonzo is already ready as well. Going to be very different. That's a much better and highly upgraded Ginebra team. But like I said, this team we know how to put our head down and grind it out and put in the work. And tonight I think was a good example. Our game wasn't pretty at all. Shots weren't falling, but we found a way to win. The most important thing first is to find a way to compete, to have the will to compete, and then you can find a way to win. So hopefully we can do that again on Friday.